AI chatbot also came to Microsoft Bing. What is different from ChatGPT? Finally, chatbots are available in Microsoft search engine as well. And those who apply on the waitlist opened by the company can use the system chatbot. With the popularity of ChatGPT, various search engines were behind chatbot. A limited numbers of users have started using the chatbot, which was announced last week. The company had opened the waitlist along with the chat option on Bing's web homepage. The company had opened the waitlist along with the chat option on homepage. Those who participate is the waitlist are getting chat access. Microsoft Chatbot is different from ChatGPT. The chatbot in the style of ChatGPT provides information. In addition, sources are also mentioned to any questions we ask. In this way, many users have it as a useful tool because it connects the user with the source of information. In terms of data, this Microsoft tool is always updated. When using it, the tool looks attractive. However, what is weaker than ChatGPT is that it does not provide all the information in detail. It can be assumed that Bing includes this tool to connect directly to information or news sources. Also, a link is included in every information received from the internet, which any data can be distinguished immediately whether it is correct or not. If you ask a question or a query, the related questions can be seen as suggestion. As the tool is new, some data may be incorrect. The company said, however, using the chat features on Bing usually gets most of the answer correct. A Microsoft account is required to use Bing while searching on Microsoft Edge browser or any other browser. The 𝗧𝗲𝗄𝗧 chatbot in that search engine. As it is currently available for limited users, there may be situations where you have to sit on the wait list again.